Hello, Professor. We are group 6, and also we are 6 members. In our group, we have Subdeep, Yash, Pratik, Dhruvin, Ayush, and myself, Ashwarya. We'll be presenting you with the two pivot tables that you asked us to. The first pivot table, we made it a more simpler version, and here is where I'm presenting it on the screen. So we have kept it very simple by just counting how many number of people are the respondents. So if I click here, I have I have taken a count instead of a sum to count the number of respondents in the values section. Initially, by default, we always get a sum as a value in it. So here we have taken count. Plus, I have added a filter for a gender. So we can select male or female, either or nothing. So if I select nothing, I will not get any results. And if I select male, I will get results for the males who have responded. So I have added a filter, which is a functionality of a pivot table. Then also I have also added rows and age. The reason I have added both together is because horizontal view of this pivot is much better than the vertical, because it becomes too long for us and everyone else to read. So that's why I kept it into a horizontal row. So that the way to read is the first one in the row is reinforcing. So that means all the reinforcing elements are there in orange and the age is in white. So the below reinforcing there will always be age, and the count for the reinforcement and age combination is given in the right hand side, and the grand total is always at the bottom as usual. So this is the pivot table we have created, a very simpler one. Yes, so this was the explanation.
Hi, this is Yash Mehta. As we can see, this is a chart which shows the income level ranging from $10,000 uh, and a maximum of $150,000 in the column A. Then we have a grand total uh, which is shown in I-17, which shows the total number of people uh, on whom we have on whom the analysis is based as per the data we received. Uh, as we can see on E9, the income range uh, between 20 to $30,000 is for high school diploma uh, pass outs, and also people with master's degree and some undergraduate courses. The grand total, including the bachelor's degree, is 15. 15 people have an income range, are under the income range of 20 to $30,000. As we proceed towards the higher income level, uh, there is only one person who has an income level of $150,000, as we can see in B8.
To continue to what Yash has said, uh, in the rows column, there is annual income. The grand total for this annual income can be showed here. So anybody ranging from 40,000 to 50,000 will have, there are three people who have this particular range. So the grand total for annual incomes are given over here. The grand total for all the education for people who have had better education, the grand total for them is here. To see it in this way, we can also say that the most number of people who have responded are the ones who have had a minimum of bachelor's degree, and the total of the two combination, as Yash has already told, is 105. So this is the analysis of the rows, columns, and in between additions. If you add this, you will definitely get a score of 44, and the same goes with this. So the addition of this is equal to 1. So this is how you can add up the pivot tables, and this is how it operates. We all thank you so much, and we appreciate you watching this video.